Hey there, this is Steve at STO N SHO. Today we're out here at the Toyota dealership and we're doing a fitment on a 2024 Toyota Crown. This one is, fortunately, is going to be a no drill. It has factory fasteners up underneath the vehicle that we're going to use. It's going to mount in the lower center. As you can see, this is where the regular license plate goes. We're going to go up underneath that one. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and I'll turn it over to Mike.
Okay, thanks, Steve. All right, now this is going to use factory screws, but we're going to be replacing them. So we're going to remove the two factory screws, just like this. And then we're going to be using longer ones with spacers so we can fill the gap. Okay, so now once we have the factory screws out, we're going to go ahead and replace them with longer ones. And we're going to be using a 3/8 inch spacer just to fill that gap right there so the bracket will sit nice and level. Putting might help. This goes to show you got to pay attention to what you're doing, because I put the pull pin on the wrong side. So I'll start that again. Alright, so screw through the base plate, spacer on top, pull pin on the right side, not the left like I did it. Start that one. Put that one through. And start tightening it up. Now, if I wouldn't have caught it and I put the base plate on without with it over here, when I go to put the front on, this pin's going to be over here, so it's not going to lock in. So that's why it's important that you have that on the right side. And these are going into a J-clip. I think they're a plastic nylon, but you can still tighten them up pretty good. It's got a pretty aggressive thread on it. So there you go, base plate's on, and you're going to take your front, line it up, pull the pull pin, push it till it clicks into place, and there you go, you're on.
Make sure to periodically lubricate your pull pin with some WD-40, and if you do go through a car wash, make sure that you remove your front plate. And we can finish it up here, and this is, you can see where the factory one goes, or the dealership, and ours is right below that, and your license plate will go right over the front of that, and you are done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket, like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring, and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.